Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain. Now, as you know, I really love doing LED cards, and I know a lot of you do too, but if you want to buy the LEDs to go in them, if you go for a kit version, it's very expensive. Now, in the past, I have taken apart string lights. I still use string lights if they are the smaller LED variety, the rice lights. I've also used LED strips which are designed for going around the room and things like that, and I've literally stripped the LEDs out of them. Now this is an alternative to doing that, and as you can see, it is extremely cheap. The price there on AliExpress is for 100 of these things. Now what you don't get from this is the size. Unless you read things very carefully, you'll be completely at a loss as to what size these are. The photograph makes them look quite big and bulky. They are not big and bulky at all. Now the one that I'm going to show you that I got my husband to purchase for me is the 9000 to 12,000 cool one. Okay, this is a cool white light rather than a yellow white light. And the qualities that you want in this, I'm not saying get them necessarily from AliExpress. You can go out with a shopping list and find them elsewhere if you've got electronic suppliers, or if you want to get them off Amazon or anywhere else. But what you're looking for is something that operates on 3 volts and is less than 1 watt. The wattage is important because if you get anything with too high a wattage, it's not going to last in your project. The power will drain from the battery far too rapidly. Okay, so I've shown you the page. So if you want to take a screenshot of that and zoom in, feel free. So this is not going to add bulk to your project in any shape or form. And the only thing holding these in place is a little bit of like cellophane over the top. So you peel the cellophane away and your light comes out. It isn't connected to anything. It is purely there for packaging. There we go. So this is the top of the light and this is the reverse side. And you can see these metal bits here. These are actually the contacts. And if I turn this over, you might just about be able to see the contacts. So here I've got a couple of pieces of copper tape, and I have literally just taken a piece of sticky tape and put my light over the 2 pieces of tape so that one contact is here, one is here. So I've got a plus and a minus. And if I make the battery contact, you can see that the light goes on. It's very, very bright. So there we go. That is a very, very cheap, very easy way of putting an LED into your circuit. Okay, that's it for this particular video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.